Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Vivian. So I saw this lovely statement Scrunchie headband and I decided to make it for you, my beautiful subscribers. So this is the outcome and I know you love to know how I made this. So you are very much welcome, and if you're new to this channel, God bless you, welcome and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So to make our crunchy headband, these are the items you need. You need your fabric. So I'm using satin fabric. Then you need elastic. Okay, this is the 1-inch elastic. Then of course your chalk, and you need a safety pin. Okay, and your ruler, your scissors, and your measuring tape. So this is how we'll be cutting out the fabric. So the main fabric will be 7 inches by 40 inches. Okay, and it depends on what you want. So for this particular size, I use 7 by 40. Then for this size, you can see this one is bigger, I use 10 by 40. Okay, so it depends on what you want. You can either use 7 by 40 or 10 by 40, depending on the size of crunchy you want. So you can see the difference. Okay, so but for the one I'll be doing today, I'll be using 7 by 40 inches. So that's for the main fabric. Then we'll also cut out another fabric, which is the elastic casing. So that one will be 4 by 15. Okay, then we'll cut out another piece of fabric, which will be 3 by 15 inches. Then our elastic will be 7 inches long. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and cut out this piece from the fabric. So to cut my main fabric, which is the 7 by 40 inches, what I'll do is just to fold. I'll fold my fabric to make it easy for me to cut out the 7 by 40. So while it is on fold, what I'll measure is 20 inches. Okay, so I have my 20 inches here. I'll just mark it. Then I'll mark 7 inches up. Okay, so I'm making for 7 inches. So I'll just mark 7 inches. So I'll just mark 7 inches all the way so that I can cut it out. So having marked it now, I'll just connect with my ruler. So I have my 7 by 20 inches here. So I'll just cut it out. So when I open it up, it will be 7 by 40. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So you can see the length. So I'll just keep this aside and cut out the next one, which is the elastic casing. So the elastic casing is 4 by 15 inches. Okay, my 15 inches by 4 inches. Okay, so I just measure the 15 inches, and at that point I would go up by 4 inches. So this is it. And I'll connect. So I have it here. So I would cut it out now. Okay, so I hope you can see this. So this is my elastic casing. Okay, so the next thing to cut now is the lining piece, which is 3 by 15. So since I've measured 15 here, just from there I would go up by 3 inches. I don't know if you understand this, just to cut out my 3 by 15. Okay, so I have my inner piece here, that is the lining piece. So after cutting it, this is what I have here. This is the main fabric, 7 by 40. Okay, like I said, it's a matter of choice. You can decide to make it bigger. Okay, so for the 7 by 40, this is the size it will give us. Then if you're using 10 by 40, you'll get this size. Okay, so I'm using 7 inches by 40. Then this one is 4 inches by 15. So this is the elastic casing, and this is the lining piece, okay, which is 3 by 15 inches. Okay, so I would also cut out my elastic. So my elastic would be 7 inches. So I'll just measure 7 inches, okay, like so. Then I'll cut it out. So these are what I need for my Scrunchie headband. So the next thing to do now is to fold this one. So just fold like so. You fold this one and sew. So I'll sew by 1/2 inch. Okay, after folding this one and sewing it, I'll also fold the elastic casing. Just fold it like so also and sew. Okay, so you fold the right side in and sew. So after sewing it, we will turn it. Okay, so let me go ahead and sew it, then I'll show you the next thing to do. Okay, so after stitching it by 1/2 inch, this is what I have. So now I will just turn it to the right side. So you can use a pencil or anything you have to just turn it in. Okay, so this is it. So I have it like so. So you can go ahead and give it a good press. Okay, so I will just leave it like so, since what I'll be making will have ruffle. Okay, so you know it's crunchy at the end, it will squeeze, so no need. And I'll also turn this other one. So this is the elastic casing. So just turn it to the other side. And I have it here. So after turning it now, I would pass the elastic through this one. Okay, so remember I've cut out my 7 inches elastic, so I'll use my safety pin. I'll just use the safety pin like so to pass in the elastic through the elastic casing. So as you pass the elastic through it, you don't want this side to disappear into the casing. So what you do at this point, just hold it with your office pin. So just hold it down here with your pin, because you don't want it going inside. So just hold it with pin here. Then I'll just continue passing the elastic through. So I have it here. Okay, so by the time I've gotten it out from here, I would also hold it with pin. So I have this, so I'll keep this for now. Then to this one, so this other, the lining piece, I would also use my safety pin to pass it through the main piece. Okay, so I would pass it through this one like so. So in order for it not to disappear inside, I would also hold it with pin at this edge here. So I will still hold it with pin here. So holding it down with pin so it doesn't go in, while I continue passing the lining piece through it. So I have it here. So I'll also hold it with pin here. Then I'll go ahead and stitch. So I'll stitch this part and this other side. Okay, I'll also do same for this elastic casing. I'll stitch this side and this other side like so. Okay, so let me do just that. So after stitching the two sides, this is what I have. Okay, so now I can distribute the ruffles, and you can see this is beautiful. Then at the that is this other one, the elastic casing, this is what I have. Okay, so I've stitched it here and here. So now the next thing is to attach the two. And how do we do that? So you take the main fabric, this is the right side, okay, and this is the back. You can see where we have the stitch. So at this right side, you also pick your elastic casing. You also you take the right side too. You place right side facing each other like so. Then you would fold the main fabric over the elastic band. You fold it over like this. So you can see what I did. You place right side facing each other, you fold this one over, and you fold this one over, then you stitch. Okay, so I'll also do same thing to this other side. So I'll place right side facing each other. I would fold this one over, fold this one over, then I would stitch. Okay, so I'll show you after stitching, show you how to turn it and what we'll have there. Okay, so after stitching, this is what I have. Okay, so now it's time to turn it, and just simply turn it in like so. Okay, so just like pull this one out, then you pull this one out. So you can see by the time you pull it out at this other side, the main fabric will just hide the seam. Okay, and you can see what we have on this other side. You can see everything is in and everything is looking neat. Okay, so this is simply how to make your Scrunchie headband, and this is so beautiful and very easy to make. Okay, you can see what we have here. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a like. Okay, just hit on that like icon, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button so that you be part of this family. Okay, and also turn the notification bell beside it, so whenever I upload a new video, you would be notified. You wouldn't want to miss out on any of my videos. I upload videos on this channel on sewing tutorials, DIYs like this, fashion tips, fashion business tips, and all that. So, and I believe you will not want to miss out. So hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you would get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and also share this video with your friends. You might be helping somebody who want to start a business with this. This is very, very good. You can sell this, you can use it for yourself. Easy to make and affordable. Okay, that is the fabric. You can see the length of fabric I used to get a beautiful piece like this. So thank you so much, and God bless you. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.